So this is going to be our drop axle. So as you can tell, I've grinded my edges down to get a nice clean penetration at my intersections. Okay, let's throw some tack down. Okay, it's welded completely up. Next we're going to grind these smooth so we can put our plates on them. So I have 4 of these plates. It's going to tie everything together, 2 for each side. But I need these to be smooth, so this will lay down. Okay. Off to the grinder. Okay, I have it all welded up. All the pieces. Got the main support, and then the up, and then the last piece, and everything's plated together. Kind of see what's going on here. So it's going to be my drop axle. The spindles are in, so they're going to go on the end here. So that's what we're going to work on today, is mounting our spindles up. First thing I need to do is level off my axle, because I don't have a very straight surface, flat surface anywhere. Alright. Alright, so we got 0 and 90. After all that work getting it level, I need to go and up these mounting surfaces a little bit. Okay, got my knuckles on, spindles, whatever, kingpins, all that fun stuff. So I put 10 degrees of caster on it. I left the camber alone. They're in there. My professional amateur welds are going to hold this just fine. I'll let it cool off a little bit and then we'll see what we can tack next. So real quick, I just wanted to kind of give an update of where my spindles are going to be. So right now that axle is about 2 inches off the ground and it's right in line with the hub. Maybe it's a little high, maybe it'll come down, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch. But right now the axle will be about 2 inches off the ground. Can't wait to get it mounted up and get the back end done.